For your help, I place all the product links in the description. The Made Show Kulalang R77F is a men's professional kit, which stands out as a top-tier grooming solution, designed for both professional barbers and home users seeking salon-quality results. This kit combines precision engineering, advanced technology, and user-friendly features, making it an essential tool for modern grooming. Key features and specifications: hair clippers, uses DLC, diamond-like carbon blades. These blades are renowned for their exceptional hardness, durability, and sharpness, ensuring a clean, precise cut every time. The DLC coating reduces friction and heat buildup, providing a more comfortable experience and extending the blade's lifespan. LCD display: the clippers are equipped with an intuitive LCD display that offers real-time information on battery life and cutting speed settings. This feature is particularly beneficial for both professionals and at-home users, as it allows for precise control and ensures the clippers are always ready for use. The display also provides maintenance reminders, helping users keep their clippers in optimal condition. Powerful motor and battery life: high-performance motor that delivers consistent power, capable of cutting through all hair types with ease. This robust motor is complemented by a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, which provides extended usage times on a single charge. Depending on the model, the clippers can offer up to several hours of continuous operation, making them ideal for busy barbershops or personal use. Ergonomic design: comfort and ease of use are paramount in the design of these clippers. The ergonomic design ensures a secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended grooming sessions. The lightweight construction further enhances maneuverability, allowing for intricate styling and precise cuts. Versatility and convenience: the Made Show Kulalang Professional Kit includes a variety of attachments and accessories, catering to a wide range of grooming needs. These attachments typically include different comb sizes for varying hair lengths, a detailed trimmer for fine lines and edging, and a cleaning brush for easy maintenance. This versatility makes the kit suitable for haircuts, beard trimming, and detailed styling. Easy maintenance: maintaining the clippers is straightforward, thanks to the included cleaning tools and the design of the blades. The detachable blades can be easily cleaned and oiled, ensuring optimal performance and hygiene. Regular maintenance not only keeps the clippers in top condition, but also extends their lifespan. In conclusion, its combination of advanced blade technology, powerful motor, ergonomic design, and comprehensive accessory kit. It caters to both professional barbers and individuals looking for the best in personal grooming. The inclusion of the LCD display and easy maintenance features further enhance its appeal, ensuring that users can achieve precise and comfortable grooming results every time.